Create a continuous insect barrier by applying a consistent treated band 2 feet up the foundation and 2 feet out on the ground with the Pesti rechargeable sprayer. Start by selecting a residual insecticide labeled for perimeter barrier use and mix it to the manufacturer recommended concentration following all label instructions. Charge the Pesti sprayer fully and test the spray pattern on a piece of cardboard, adjusting the nozzle so you get a fine, even cone that can be widened for ground band work and narrowed for cracks and vents. Work in systematic passes so the treated band is uniform. Walk parallel to the foundation at a steady pace and overlap each pass by about 20% to avoid gaps. Treat entry points like door thresholds, windowsills, crawl space vents, and pipe penetrations by applying a targeted spray into and around the opening, keeping the nozzle close enough for control but not so close that the surface is saturated. For soil or mulch right against the foundation, start with a lighter application to prevent runoff, then go back with a slightly heavier pass once the first application has absorbed. After treating, allow surfaces to dry and reapply according to the product label, or after heavy rain or irrigation that removes the barrier. Common mistakes include using the wrong nozzle setting, which creates uneven coverage or large droplets that do not provide residual protection, and the fix is to adjust to a fine cone and confirm uniform output before you start. Another frequent issue is treating only the ground or only the vertical foundation, which leaves gaps. Make sure you establish the full 2-foot vertical by 2-foot horizontal band in continuous passes to create an impenetrable strip. The third concern is overapplication near sensitive plants or drainage areas, which can cause runoff or damage, so avoid saturating soil, keep treatments off ornamental root zones, and shield or rinse non-target vegetation if contact occurs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who routinely install effective perimeter treatments and other pest-proofing services, and we provide a community discussion area where users share tips and local contractors' experiences. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners seeking services, and we host conversations so people can learn what works in their specific neighborhoods.